Hand-drawn designs. Traditionally, jewelry designs were sketched by hand, with careful attention to detail and proportion. These sketches served as blueprints for the final piece. Computer-aided design CAD. Modern jewelers often use CAD software to create precise 3D models of the jewelry. This allows for more intricate designs and provides a virtual preview of the finished piece. Prototyping. A prototype or wax model is often created based on the design. This model is used to make a mold or die for casting a gold, casting and shaping. The next step involves transforming the gold alloy into the desired shape. Lost wax casting. One of the most common methods for making gold jewelry is lost wax casting. In this process, the wax model is encased in a ceramic shell, which is then heated to melt away the wax, leaving a hollow mold. Molten gold is poured into the mold, and once it cools, the ceramic shell is broken away, revealing the gold casting.